Well, with over 100 women activists issuing a joint statement demanding the resignation of MLA Mukesh as well in their letter to the state government, the activists demanded that Mukesh has to be dropped from the Film Policy Committee. Activists also warn of fierce protests if Mukesh does not step down. Vashni and Jayalakshmi both joining us right now. Vashni, right now, help us understand as far as the chorus that seems to be growing. Of course, many of the bigwigs in Bollywood industry have resigned or stepped down on their own if they were holding any such position. But right now, we are looking at more and more protests taking place against MLA Mukesh.
Absolutely, yes, because he's not just an actor, but also he's a people's representative right now, because that is why this kind of chorus that is echoing for his resignation. And in fact, these 100 social activists, women activists from all around Kerala have together, written a letter, signed a letter, and this letter has been submitted to the DGP, is what, as far as now we can understand, that they also are demanding that he must immediately resign, and also the Film Policy Committee, in which he is a member, he should be removed from that also, because this Film Policy Committee is the committee that would decide upon the various norms and various schemes and things that could be done to make the film industry a better working place for women. And somebody who is facing severe allegations against sexual harassment, if he is being a part of it, then that is not democratic, is what the 100 women activists who've written this letter has stating. And they're also warned that if these are not taking place, and a fierce protest would be demonstrated throughout the state of Kerala. So definitely things are picking up heat, is what we can understand, with the allegations and victims also coming forward every other day with the different kind of allegations about sexual harassment that they faced during their time in the film industry. And now with activists also joining hands to ensure that justice is being given to these women, is what we are
demanding as far as the resignation and stepping down of MLA Mukesh, as there has been another complaint against him, but there is